As of May 2026, Claude Code has become the industry standard stateful agentic CLI for local development. Let's get it installed. Open your terminal and run the global install command to pull the latest version of the Claude Code agent. After installation, run the Claude command. This will launch your browser for API key verification. Crucially, always initialize a .claudeignore file in your root directory. This ensures the agent avoids accessing sensitive local configuration files. Once authenticated and secured, you are ready to start orchestrating workflows directly from your terminal. To start, simply run the Claude run command in your terminal. This initializes the agentic session in your current directory. Once active, you can toggle the native voice interface for hands-free coding. Look for the scan indicator to know the microphone is ready. For example, say, create a new React component for a login form. The agent will immediately draft the file structure and logic for you. Finally, Claude Code uses atomic command execution. Before running risky commands like git commit, it provides a dry run. This keeps a human in the loop, ensuring you have final approval before any changes are applied to your codebase.